we all act on which are our basic notions. Human rights, happiness, freedom, justice, and so on. And I think our first approach should be Socratic here. We cannot simply rely on, we are for freedom, human rights, democracy, so we know who are the bad guys. No, these terms are so abused today, all of these terms, freedom, equality, whatever, that we have to begin by this critical turn on the words themselves that we use. It's not a kind of a linguistic solipsism. It's just that we have to vacillate, to destabilize the basic frame, ideological frame of how we understand, approach reality. And I'm not now saying that we should just do a pure philosophical speculation. No, I think that often here, even empirical inquiries and tests can be very productive.